Hi guys, my name is Joe Lonergan. I am with NCBI Labs and today we are going to speak about the Roborock S6 Max robot vacuum. The Roborock S6 Max is a robot vacuum made by Xiaomi, a Chinese manufacturer. It is a robot vacuum that works with an app on your phone, and also it can be connected to smart speakers such as the Amazon Echo Dot and the Apple HomePod Mini. So I'm going to show you now how we can start with a voice command. First of all, I will try using the HomePod Mini. So I'm going to say, "Hey Siri, resume cleaning."
Starting to clean.
And you can hear the vacuum is powering up and starting to clean. It gave us a voice command to confirm this. And then I can stop cleaning and ask it to return to dock by saying, "Hey Siri, return to dock."
Returning to dock.
And the Roborock S6 Max will now make its way back to the dock and hopefully start charging again.
Charging.
We can also do this with the Amazon Echo smart speaker. So I can say, "Alexa, open Roborock."
Okay, here's Roborock Plus. Hi. Start off by saying, start cleaning.
Start cleaning.
Start cleaning.
Starting to clean.
And as you can see, the Roborock S6 is making its way around the floor and it's cleaning. The brushes are moving around in a circle and the LiDAR kicking in and trying to avoid objects. I can also find out where it is. If it gets lost or stuck anywhere, I can use a voice command to say something like, "Hey Siri, find me."
I'm over here.
And Roborock, it's in turbo mode at the moment, or max cleaning mode, so it sounds a bit loud, but you might have heard a voice command saying, "Hi, I'm over here." And then we can use I can send it back to the dock again. "Hey Siri, return to dock."
Returning to dock.
And as you can see, it was going under a clothes horse there, so it's able to go under as well as around items.
Charging.
Thanks everybody for watching. If you want more information on the Roborock Robot Vacuum S6, you can find a link to the full podcast in the description. And if you like our content, please click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Any questions, email labs@ncbi.ie.